When it comes to FreshBooks versus Sage 50 Cloud, which has better mobile app features? This question comes up often from small business owners and freelancers looking to manage their finances on the go. So let's dive in and break down the pros and cons of both so you can decide which one works best for you. Stick around because you might be surprised by the winner, and I'll share a better option at the end. First up, FreshBooks is known for its simplicity and user friendly design. The mobile app stays true to this by offering easy access to essential features like invoicing, expense tracking, and time tracking, all right from your phone. One major pro is its ability to generate invoices quickly, and it's great for freelancers who need to send invoices while in transit. The mobile app also allows you to snap photos of receipts, making it super handy for small business owners on the go. Next thing, FreshBooks shines when it comes to integration. The mobile app syncs seamlessly with your web account, meaning any changes made on your phone show up instantly on your desktop, and vice versa. That's a big plus for users who need to update or view their data on multiple devices throughout the day. However, it's not all sunshine. Some users have complained about limited reporting capabilities on the mobile app. While you can view basic financial reports, more advanced ones like profit and loss might be difficult to access without a desktop. Now, let's turn to Sage 50 Cloud. Sage has been a go-to for accountants and larger businesses, but when it comes to the mobile app, there's a bit of a different experience. The mobile app offers access to many of the core features, such as invoicing, expense tracking, and project management. It even allows users to manage inventory, which can be a game changer for businesses with physical products. But while Sage 50 Cloud has some strong functionality, the mobile app feels a bit more complex compared to FreshBooks, especially for those just starting out. The fourth thing to note is Sage's mobile experience isn't as sleek as FreshBooks. Some users report that navigation isn't as intuitive, and the interface can feel a bit outdated compared to FreshBooks' clean, modern design. However, Sage 50 Cloud does excel when it comes to deep functionality. For businesses that need robust accounting features, the mobile app can handle everything from payroll management to detailed financial reports. But there's a downside. The mobile experience on Sage 50 Cloud doesn't have the same level of polish as its desktop version, and it can be a bit clunky for quick, day-to-day tasks. So, if you're looking for a highly mobile-friendly app that's easy to navigate, you might find Sage 50 Cloud less efficient than FreshBooks. Now, here's where things get interesting. Both FreshBooks and Sage 50 Cloud have their merits, but if you want a truly seamless, powerful mobile experience with flexibility and better usability, there's another option you should check out. After trying all of these apps myself, I can say that FreshBooks is excellent for smaller businesses and freelancers, but it does fall short in areas like advanced reporting. On the other hand, Sage 50 Cloud offers more robust features, but lacks the mobile user experience and ease that a busy entrepreneur or freelancer might need. For those of you looking for the best of both worlds, ease of use, full functionality, and a great mobile app, take advantage of the free trial of the first link in the description. It offers a better mobile experience, all the features you need, and exclusive benefits just for our viewers. So, go ahead and check it out, because in my experience, it's the best alternative when you want an all-around solution.